Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back today, guys, to do another review for M.A.P, my automatic pay, and to show some more results. Okay, so this program, I love it when they say it's automatic. It's automatic. Okay, system right here, the page you're looking at right here is a website you're going to get. It's a sales page. It's a sales page. They have capture pages too. We'll get into that in a second. But this particular sales page, your prospects will come here. Once they opt into your capture page, they're going to watch this video. This video does all the selling and telling for you. Not to mention the website. As they scroll through the website, they're going to see this information. This system allows you to get paid $247 over and over. Okay? You can collect your payments any way you want. You could be sleeping, working out, whatever you're doing. These payments can come in through the system automatically. You set up your payment processor, how you want to get paid. Okay. The program M.A.P offers done-for-you traffic for folks that just getting started that may say, hey, well, I don't have anybody to promote this to. I don't want to promote this to friends and family. I don't want to really do social media. Perfect. They have traffic packages you can select from. All you would need to do is give the vendor your link, pay for the package, just a click of a button, and they will send targeted people to your capture page. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 different packages, okay, that you can select from. There's something for everybody. A budget. They have a budget for everybody. Okay, so automation is king. Okay, and that is true facts. Even with the payment I received today, I never spoke to the lady. Welcome aboard, Aretha. Never spoke to her. She never called me. I received the email and it just flowed from there. Okay, so how is that? The automation, how is that going to work? Well, you have a sales funnel that's included, your capture page. Once they enter their name and email, they see a 24/7 video presentation that's going to explain this program. They're going to get an email from the system on my behalf. The autoresponder is built in. Okay, and it convinces people to take a look, and they send them back to your page, and that way they can look at it again, because sometimes people will look at something today and they kind of forget about it and they move on. But if they continue to receive an email, you know, in the next few weeks, it kind of reminds them, oh, that's the program I looked at. Okay, and then if they decide to go ahead and purchase, you're paid $247. Okay, over and over and over. Okay, so it has some great benefits to this system. So these $247 payments are unlimited. You know, the sky's the limit to how much you can make. That's on you. Okay, as far as you promoting your capture page, that's your job. Whether you run traffic or you put the time in to promote the system organically, or postcards. There's various ways to do this. Okay, so it comes with a complete funnel, as mentioned. With capture pages, build an autoresponder, you're paid member to member. Okay, so the company is not going to pay you. You're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you. When they click your button from your page, you set up how you want to get paid, so they're going to pay you directly. Okay, this system does come with digital product library. Okay, various digital products that's going to teach you a skill set. Okay, to making money online. So you'll have access to that once you log in. And as I mentioned, all the done-for-you packages and strategies. There's also some other strategies back here they show you how to promote this. So you get paid any way you want. That's the automation, whether it's Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or credit card. Okay? And as mentioned, all the digital products that you're going to get. Traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own income, planning for success. You know, lots of training back here. But it only takes 3 steps to get started. It's nothing complicated. Very newbie friendly. So how does that work? How did you get started? Step 1, you're going to click the button at the bottom of the screen on this page, pay your $247. The system is going to guide you, okay? Pay the $247. You're going to also pay the $33 to the company, one-time setup. There's no monthly fees, okay, with this system. Once you pay this total, that's $280, you have a business in a box. No more fees from the company. All you have to do at this point is promote, okay? The second step will be to register your profile. Once you actually get access to your members area, go back there and set up the payment processors, okay? How do you want to receive your payments? And step 3 is get your traffic going. You're in, okay? Now, what's so cool about this is your first sale, you break even, guys, because you pay $247, right, to get in, and your first person that joins you pays you $247. So you just broke even. So anything after that, you're 100% profit, okay? One time $247, one time $33. You're in. Business in a box, okay? Awesome program. I like it. I like that it's automated. Everything is going to be set up once you make your payments. It's an easy breezy system. All right. Now, with that being said, I want to go over and show you this other payment that has come through, and we want to get you started. Now, the other thing before I do that, though, I want to go in the back office, the membership area, real quick. Okay, this even shows it back here, right here. How much did you earn today? Okay, this changes every 24 hours. All right, so this came in today. So when you get back here in your dashboard, this link right here, it says your referral link. For everybody that joins me, send me this link via email, and I'm going to send you 100 click solo ad. Okay, that's my bonus to you. All right, to get the traffic. So it's a bonus traffic incentive that I'm giving away for everybody that joins me in this program. Okay, so this is the link. You want to email me this link. It says your referral link. Okay, all right, guys, let me show you this payment that has come in, and let's get you started. Now, what happens is you're going to receive an email from the system. See right here, it says my automatic pay. First, the person created an account, then she actually paid the membership, the $33. So the system is notifying me of that. Okay, then after that, then my payment comes in through the payment processor. So this is how you know what's going on with your business. You'll be notified via email. And not to mention, this came in around lunchtime. See, 12:34, it's lunchtime. Must be nice to be eating lunch, and then a $247 payment comes in. Okay, and nobody ever calls you. It just automatically showed up. Okay, so put the work in. You can make this happen as well. So let me show you how the processor sends their notification. Okay, and then right here, Stripe sends a notification as well. Okay, all right, guys. So if you're ready to get started earning these $247 commissions, go down, go to the page www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, the link is in the description. Go down, and right here, click this blue button, create your account, make your 2 payments. So I'll get the notification. Once I get that notification and the payment comes in, you're going to receive an email from me, a welcome email. It'll say welcome to M.A.P. Okay, and in there I'm going to have some information for you, and I'm going to ask you again to send me your link so that I can start the traffic flowing. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.